Bonjour mes amis et bienvenue à notre chaîne French Pro Global. Hello friends, welcome to our channel French Pro Global. आज आपका मैं दिल से स्वागत करता हूँ। आज हम आपको पढ़ाने वाले हैं, घंटी पहले ही बज गई क्लास शुरू होने से anyway, हमारी क्लास घंटी के बाद स्टार्ट होगी। क्या? आफ्टर बेल वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट आवर क्लास। ओके, सो लेट्स कम बैक टू आवर टॉपिक। तो आज का टॉपिक क्या है? Les alphabets en français. I have written here les alphabets en français, French alphabets. Okay, the alphabets in French, that is what we are going to learn. ठीक है? So please take your notebook and write the sound in your mother tongue. Okay, it is like same in English. Maybe we have 26 letters from A to Z. Okay, it is same in French. ठीक है? चलिए start करते हैं. Okay, so I am going to read the sound. You have to listen. There are some sounds which are difficult, but if you listen, you will be able to pronounce. Okay, so let me first pronounce A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, and this is Q, Q. All right, and this is pronounced from the back of your throat. यहाँ से बिल्कुल pronounce करना है. H. Next is S like English. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, now let me explain how to pronounce this. ठीक है? A, this is pronounced in French as A. So A, you have to open your mouth. A. All right. A. Next is B. It is very simple. B. And then this is very simple. Say. This is also very simple. They. Okay. Next is E. And E, how do you pronounce in French? Okay. यहाँ पे गौर करने वाली बात है. यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे थे? You have to open your mouth. But here what we have to do? Just simply say Okay. A को कैसे pronounce कर रहे थे? A. And E को कैसे pronounce करना है? Simply Clear? So let me repeat again. A, B, C, D, Next, F. F, it is like English, F. Now come to this and this. In English we pronounce it G, okay? But in French, this becomes J and J becomes G, alright? So G will be pronounced as J and J will be pronounced as G, ठीक है? तो G को हम J पढ़ेंगे और J को हम G पढ़ेंगे. We have to pronounce G as J and we have to pronounce J as G in French. Clear? Next is H. H is Ash. All right, Ash. So in French language, H is generally silent letter. Okay. And then I we have to pronounce as E. All right, and this I have already told you, G. Okay, let me repeat once again from A. Repeat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Now come back to this. K को कैसे pronounce करते हैं? How do you pronounce K? K. And then L, M, N, O. It is like English. L, M, N, O. Okay, now come to P. P is pronounced as Pay. Like Google Pay, Phone Pay, है ना? So Pay, you have to pronounce in French, Pay. Next, Q. See, in English we pronounce completely Q, है ना? But in French, to pronounce this letter, you have to make your lip round, like Q, Q, Q. All right. Next is R. R, how do you pronounce R in French? It is pronounced from the back of your throat. Okay. R, R, R. Repeat. R. ठीक है, बिल्कुल यहाँ से. Next is S. It is like English. S. Okay. Come to this. Te. Te. How do you pronounce T in French? Te. Te. All right. Next is, again this is a little difficult sound. English में we pronounce U, but here you don't have to pronounce like that. You have to say U, U, U. All right. It will take time. You listen multiple times and you will be able to pronounce. Okay. It is again a round front vowel. Okay. U, U, U. All right. Next, way, way, way. And next is W, W, W. And then X is pronounced X, X, X. Okay. So sometimes students mispronounce it like ishq. ये इश्क मोहब्बत की बात नहीं है. Okay. It is not ishq. It is X, X. All right. Let me write. It is like X. Or in Hindi, X. Okay. X, X. Next is Y, Y, Y. Okay. Y, Y. Y, okay, Y, Y, okay, Y, Y, and this is pronounced as Z, 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 Z. All right. Now let me repeat from the beginning. Okay. A, B, C, D, O, F, J, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, Q, R, 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 S, S, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, Y, Z. All right. आपको पता है ये वाला जो साउंड है, ये वाला, ये हमारे सर कैसे सिखाते थे. बिल्कुल हमारे सर थे आलियंस में, तो ही यूज टू टीच अस दिस साउंड लाइक जैसे गार्गलिंग करते हैं ना. ऑल राइट. तो इस तरीके से ही यूज टू टीच अस दिस साउंड. सो इट कम्स फ्रॉम द बैक ऑफ योर थ्रोट. ओके. एख, एख, एख. आपने ये साउंड कई बार देखा होगा जब आप पेरिस लिखते हो. PARIS. इंग्लिश में भी प्रोनाउंस पेरिस, बट फ्रेंच वाले प्रोनाउंस करते हैं पाखे, पाखे, पाखे. ऑल राइट. एक और वर्ड है जैसे ये très bien, très bien. So generally some people pronounce it très bien, très bien. But R sound, if you are pronouncing R sound from here, it will be pronounced as très bien, très bien, très bien, très bien. All right. So you have to practice this sound. This is the most beautiful sound in French language. All right. French language is as beautiful as Paris. All right. Okay. So let's sing a song with this alphabet. Okay. You repeat. You also have to sing with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, J, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's sing, sorry. A, B, C, D, E, F, J, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. चलिए अब आपकी बारी है. आप गाना गाएंगे और मैं सुनूंगा. ठीक है. प्रैक्टिस कीजिए फ्रेंच अल्फाबेट्स. अब सपोज किसी ने आपसे पूछा व्हाट इज योर नेम एंड इफ यू से माय नेम इज हिंदुस्तानी, सो कैन यू प्लीज स्पेल योर नेम. सो हाउ टू स्पेल योर नेम इन फ्रेंच? लेट मी स्पेल दिस नेम हिंदुस्तानी. ओके. सो हिंदुस्तानी के लिए आश, आश. ओके. E N D U S T A N E. Okay, Hindustani. So if somebody asks your name, suppose your name is Halima, for example, Halima. So Ash, okay, Ash, A L E M A. Ash, A L E M A. Halima. Okay, suppose Paris. How do you pronounce Paris in French? Okay, P A R E S. Paris. So this is important. French alphabet is important. If you want to spell your name, if you want to spell the name of any words, for example, any fruits or any person's name, if you have to pronounce, if you have to say the spelling, then you have to say. You know, sometimes what happens in your DELF examination, when you are going for DELF examination, तो listening वाला जो section होता है ना, उसमें there are some people who are talking, okay, तो वो अपना नाम बताएंगे, okay, can you please spell your name? They will spell their name like maybe Pahi, P A R, okay, E S. So you have to write कि how did they pronounce, which alphabets they pronounced, okay, that is also important. Why? Because the examiner, they want to know, are you able to understand the sound, are you able to pronounce the sound correctly, okay. This lesson is very important for you for DELF examination also, ठीक है. So please practice, okay. Before I conclude this class, let me sing that song once again, okay. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. All right. Au revoir. See you in the next video.